Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be on the Gladiator. Just got back from doing the October Southington off-road park weekend with the Ohio Gladiators Facebook group. Great run. I think we had like 13 or 14 trucks out there. Lots of new trails that we tried with the group that was, or the individual that was leading us this time. So I basically filmed a lot of those. There were some trips on some familiar trails from previous videos, so I didn't bother filming that because I would have had really long video, and I'm sure you don't want to watch that much. But yeah, so it was a really good time. Enjoy the footage. I had a blast and looking forward to the next one, especially since it's been probably about 3 or 4 months since I've done one, just based on busy schedule and whatnot. So here's the footage. Thanks for watching. Alright, here we go. October Gladiator run out at Southington Off-Road. Good turnout.
Yeah, that's right. We got everybody in line. Not sure who the last guy is. If they could call out and let me know.
It's me, Dustin. I'm in a white Jeep.
Okay. So I don't know where everybody has their 4x4 on, but you can just put it on 4 high for right now. Nobody should really get stuck on this one, but if you do, make sure you just tell everybody on the radio, and that way we don't get too far ahead of you, and we can help out if needed. Don't be afraid of this trail. There's a lot of wood in it. They're just wood slabs from a mill, I believe, that was back here, so there should be no nails in this. I've been through it a number of times. Well, the number one thing that happens when you go on a trail ride, especially with us out here at shore, is you may get some pinstriping. But that's your trail badge of honor, guys. Also, if you're going into a big pond, which I don't think we got any on this one, just let the person in front of you go through first. That way you can see how they went through, and if it's a little bit deeper for the stock guys, you can just go through it a little bit faster, and it should be good. Hey, Bill, I'm cleaning out all the cobwebs for you up here. I like it. Yeah, this is definitely one we haven't been on before. Yeah, it's not bad. From what you've seen so far, is pretty much the way it is on this whole trail here. So it's not a bad one. It's full of fun. How you stock guys doing? You all right?
Yeah, I'm making it.
And then let everybody catch up real quick. Hey, Bill, hold on for 1 second right there.
There's a blue Cherokee behind me. Is he with our group too?
Not that I'm aware of, but he's more than happy to tag along if he wants to.
Yeah, I'm with you guys.
I was going to say, Frank, that's your buddy, isn't it? that's the knot. I think he just misses his Gladiator. Is he a Cherokee that identifies as Gladiator? All Jeeps matter. He's the only one not sweating with pinstriping. That's a cool trail. Yeah, we'll let everybody get out and
And look, we've got a Bronco that has joined our group.
hey Joe. Jeff Dowdle's on his way. He'll be here in about 20 minutes. He's supposed to call you.
Okay. Is he really going to be here in 20 minutes, or is that really an hour?
He called me and he was driving, said it would be 30 minutes, and that was before we stopped.
Oh, okay. You guys want to go down the rim then?
That seems really deep.
That's what she said.
Not when I'm there. Alright, gang, we'll hang out here until pretty much everybody's off the hill.
I didn't notice the last time we came through here. There's the rock wall.
If you're a little more adventurous, there's a trail right alongside that cliff that you can take. We tried it, I think it was in January or sometime, and a few of you on here got winched out. But I've never done it, the whole wall crawl. Have any of you guys?
Yeah, we've done it. I've only gone down. I've never tried to go up, other than the time you winched me up.
That was a long day.
So I was going to loop around and go down it. Is that not a good idea?
Don't ask me, I'm not sure.
Yeah, we did it last time. Nobody had issues. I did it stock both times, and I bottomed out once, but it wasn't that big of a deal. There's a lot of water here. It's not that deep. That's what she said. Not when I'm around. These poor kids for scarring them. Somebody beep on purpose. It was an accident. Something more than a sword ass. Frank, what do you think? I'm going to say to the right. It's really not that deep. I believe you. As I send you in first. That was the deepest one. All right, Bill, which rock you going up? You know, how about this one right here on the right? My bumper won't even get over it. I would have loved to have seen that guy in the Rivian go through this one to the left.
How long do you think it's going to be before we see a Hummer out here? One of the new ones with like the four-wheel steering.
I got a friend in California that bought one, and she loves it. And
that I never got to bring out here. Now I'm kicking myself for it.
Good call. Oh, hey Charles, are you going down the backside of Fraser?
I'm just going to sit at the top of the hill here to point people if they get too close to that rock, so I'm rolling up all that way.
I'm gonna head down and line up on this side of the road down here.
Okay, well the people behind us have turned around and went the other way, so we're good for now. But it's just good practice.
And I'm sitting there looking at it like, I know, when you first look at it, like, the thing you want to go through just. Alright, so it's the next day. I did just take it to the local laser wash for a touchless wash, just to try and get some of the stuff off of it, which it didn't do a bad job, but yeah, I've got quite a bit of pressure washing ahead of me, get this thing cleaned up, but that probably cut the amount in half, so I'm going to go ahead and get this thing cleaned. Alright, and here we are. Just went over the whole thing with the pressure washer, undercarriage and everything. I didn't do like an actual wash, no soap or anything. It was just pressure washing to get all the sand and grit and everything out of all the crevices. So it's still gonna look like a little hazy, a little dirty from that aspect, but I'll do probably a good wash on it this weekend. I just don't have time today. Did definitely found a few new pinstripes down the sides. Kind of expected that from that new trail we went on. There was a lot of brush there. And my one rock rail on this side got a couple hits. Actually, ironically though, it's kind of funny, both of the hits are in the spaces where there's the grip tape. So you can see one there, and on the back one here, got a little scrape there. So other than that, not too bad. So yeah, so that was a fun weekend wheeling trip, and I'm gonna end this video here. So if you enjoy the content, interested in seeing more on the Gladiator or the other cars, please like, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell. There will definitely be more content coming on these vehicles. Thank you for watching and have a great day.